Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to extend the volume of your C drive in Windows 10 and 11. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. The C drive's capacity is almost full, and you would like to increase it, but the extend volume option isn't there when you right-click on it in Disk Management. This is because your C drive's right side has either a recovery partition or a new volume. To proceed, delete that partition and create an allocated space, which can be either your normal volume or your recovery volume. To fix normal volume, right-click on the volume that is on the right side of the C drive and select Delete Volume. If recovery volume is selected, the delete option won't be available. In this situation, type CMD in the search box. Select Run as Administrator from the right-hand option and click Yes to open a black window. To enter the disk partition, type Diskpart. Enter and type List Disk. Then enter. This will display disk 0 in the specified location. Type Select Disk 0. Enter, then type List Partition and hit Enter. This means that it can now list every partition you have in this place. Therefore, Partition 3 represents our C drive. And you now need to locate the type that says Recovery in the Type section. Since I removed it already, but you still need to check this out here so you can be sure. Assuming then that Partition 4 is the recovery partition on my end, I will type Select Partition 4 and press Enter. Once the partition has been selected, type in Delete Partition Override. Then Enter, and that partition is now deleted. The box can be closed once the recovery or normal volume is deleted. Go back and you'll see an allocated space at the right side on the C drive. Right-click on the C drive and the Extend Volume option is finally available. Click on Extend Volume. Then Next to increase the volume for your C drive. If I choose Full, hit Next and Finish to see the space increase from 69 to 79.27 GB. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.